found a trick in this cookbook that completely eliminates the beany flavor from homemade soy milk, and I'm going to show you exactly how I did it with this machine. So this is the Novalife 8-in-1 nut milk maker. I got this on Amazon and I'm going to walk you through everything. How I made the soy milk, what I used, and honestly, the one tool that made this whole process way easier than I expected. Now, I'd tried making soy milk in the past without the soy milk maker, but this didn't really go well and I pretty much gave up right away. But the reason why I started trying to make soy milk again was because of the Miyoko's Vegan Pantry Cookbook. She talks about something really important in making soy milk. If you want your soy milk to taste good and not have that strong beany flavor, do not soak your beans. That was a game changer for me. So I decided to try it again, and I used the organic soybeans from Be Still Farms, which I also purchased on Amazon. And I'll link everything below for you. Okay, now here's the thing I'm really excited to show you. So if you've ever made nut milk or plant milk at home, you know the straining part can be really messy with a nut milk bag. You're squeezing, it's dripping everywhere, it takes forever and so much energy. I found this device on Amazon and it completely replaced my nut milk bag forever. You literally just pour your milk through it and give it a gentle stir, and the milk strains right through. No squeezing, no mess, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works with soy milk right now. So I used this awesome soy milk maker machine, which was so handy because this thing actually blends all the soybeans for you. It heats up the soy milk and everything. You don't have to do anything except for just strain the milk at the very end. And that's why I decided to purchase that straining tool, because the straining was honestly the huge hurdle that prevented me from making my own soy milk at home. So to make this soy milk, I just combine 1/2 of a cup of the dried soybeans with 4 cups of filtered water into the soy milk maker. And with this machine, it takes just 33 minutes for the milk to be completely finished and ready to strain and enjoy. And if you're liking this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so here's the part I've been wanting to show you so bad. Watch how easy it is to strain this milk. So I just poured the soy milk right through the device, and all I have to do next is just give it a light stir. And look at that, the milk just flows right through and you can see the pulp that's left behind. And if you've ever tried to strain nut milk or soy milk before, I'm sure you're looking at this in amazement at how easy this truly is. And everything that's left behind is basically fiber from the soybeans. So you're still at it, also getting all the protein and the vitamins and minerals in the soy milk. And the great thing is, I was actually able to pour this entire canister of soy milk right into this pitcher so that it could strain. I didn't have to like work in a bunch of different batches, which I really preferred because usually you have to strain milk in a bunch of different batches, and it just is really honestly overwhelming, especially with little kids running around. I don't have time to wash my hands every 5 seconds when they need my help. Now, the first strain took a few minutes for it to just settle in there. So while that was happening, I went ahead and did the cleaning cycle on my Novalife soy milk maker so that I could go ahead and have it nice and clean at the very end of this process. And there you go. That's all the okara that was left behind from this soy milk. Now I'm going to go ahead and actually strain it 4 times total. So this is the second time that I'm straining it. And as you can see, there was actually still just a little bit of the okara left over, which is why I went ahead and just strained it 2 more times. And by the 4th time, it was actually so nice and creamy. And what I did was I actually went ahead and compared this homemade soy milk to my Trader Joe's organic unsweetened soy milk that I purchase all the time. And I gave some to my husband, and he said he honestly liked the homemade soy milk even better. So everything I used in this video, I linked in the description below. So make sure to check out those links and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.